what it tells me about him and what we know so far is that he had a fascination with crime, with murder. And, it was really obvious just by that trajectory that he took.
They are classified as people with little or no conscience, but they're able to follow social conventions when it suits their needs.
I just read an account by somebody who knew him that said that he was really, really passionate about what he did. And so I think, again, this was sort of the gateway for him to explore his own violent fantasies.
Reporter Room with Jessica Della Davies starts now.
Hello, Reporter Room investigators. Today we're going to be talking about the brouhaha that was made about public defender Ann Taylor representing Bryan Kohberger because, according to Kara Northington, also called Kara Kernodle, who is Xana's mom, she claimed that Ann Taylor had represented her. Let's get into it. What is the discrepancy and how was it resolved? So apparently, public defender Ann Taylor appeared before Judge Megan Marshall in a closed-door court proceeding, and she told the judge that she had never spoken to Xana's mom. She had never given her legal counsel. In fact, a transcript of this hearing was recently released. So Ann Taylor is the public defender in the Bryan Kohberger case. She is representing Bryan. She allegedly represented Kara, according to Kara, but in the meeting that was held about the potential conflict of interest, Ann Taylor was cleared. So let's get into why she was cleared to continue representing Bryan Kohberger. So, according to the court case, Ann Taylor told the judge she didn't have a conflict of interest. She had never met Kara. She had never provided any legal advice to Kara. She had never represented Kara. So why did Kara appear on News Nation and state that she felt, quote, heartbroken and betrayed when Ann Taylor left her case to represent Bryan Kohberger? Was she just confused? Was she being gaslit? She also claimed on the same interview that Ann Taylor had, quote, power of attorney. This is really strange. So apparently Ann Taylor's name was listed on paperwork regarding Kara's case, but Ann Taylor clarified to the judge that her name is only on there because she is the chief public defender. She further shared that her name appears on every document in the public defender's office. So was Kara just a little bit confused? Moreover, Ann Taylor claims she has no connection at all to Kara, and she insisted she had not even met her, let alone provided her legal counseling. So the judge went on to question Bryan Kohberger to see, did he want to make any changes in his representation? And Bryan Kohberger reportedly told Judge Marshall that he wanted to remain with Ann Taylor, that he felt comfortable having Ann Taylor defend him. Now, according to Ann Taylor, the ISB Bar Counsel's office and the prosecutors in the Bryan Kohberger case all agreed that there was not going to be a conflict of interest as long as Bryan Kohberger agreed to Ann Taylor continuing on his case. So we know that he wanted to continue having Ann Taylor represent him. Ann Taylor was appointed to represent him because of her experience handling capital cases. She is the only capital certified public defender in this region of Idaho. The three main takeaways are: 1, Bryan Kohberger wants Ann Taylor as his lawyer. 2, Ann Taylor's name appears on every court record. 3, Ann Taylor never met or even advised Kara Kernodle Northington. If convicted, Bryan Kohberger could face death by lethal injection or firing squad. Subscribe and let me know what you think in the comment section below.